Sorry for the noise, we got the fans going. What I'm about to do is polish this side of the hood. Now I hand polished this and you can see it lustered up pretty nice compared to the rest. But I'm going to hand polish this side. This is a little hand polish we did. I want to see what this looks like with a machine polish. Now all we got is some tri-cut 2. That Ultra Finish Transtar, so I'm going to polish this real quick and see how it looks. Ooh, look at that. This thing's going to shine up nice. It looks like it's been re-clear coated, but it hasn't. Just that polish. Wish we had a higher grade polish, but that's what we got. That's what we're going to use. But you can see this is just dirty, but it looks all hazy faded like that until you polish it. And it is smooth as glass. I mean, it is smooth. But we're definitely going to be polishing the entire truck. Well, the blue parts. We're actually thinking about painting and lacing them tops. Well, that top. Not them tops, that top. I'm thinking about bringing some polish out here and doing this too. The grill, it's a little faded. Got to do wheels still. We'll be doing them Monday. Then we're going to get the drop kit ordered. Armrests on these. We are putting big moon caps on the wheels too. Going to the flea market tomorrow to get those. And we'll be getting pretty much done. So it's time to take these to get some wheels put on. Man, they look tan today. That's weird. But gonna put them in the truck. Ratchet strap them together so they don't slide around and hit into each other and other things. Got some tires put on. So what's going on today is we're starting to finish this thing up. I am starting to polish some more, but I got a little bit of sanding to do here and on the other side. We've already primed these. We're going to paint this the same color. We got some matching. We're going to whitewash the top to glossen it up, make it look a lot better. The whole truck needs to be washed and polished. This was hand washed and polished, just like the hood. But yeah, as you can see, the rest of the truck is polished. We still got to do some headlights and stuff like that. That's going to be later. We have a customer's vehicle waiting, so we've got to get this out of here, which I believe I've said 20 times already. But tonight, whitewash. Paint, paint, paint. That's actually the color. It's as close as we could get. When it's polished, it looks different, so hopefully it's a little bit lighter. There's some of it right there. I don't know if you can even see it, though. But as for right now, I am starting to polish out the tailgate. And the reason I'm polishing this is because we're going to touch up the letters a little bit too with some whitewash. We still want to see the blue come through like it's faded, so whitewash is our best option. But right now, polishing, still using that tri-cut. That's all we got. Can't afford that expensive stuff, but that's what I'm on right now. We'll get this done. I'll show you a video later tonight after we get it whitewashed and everything. I think it's going to make it pop. The 2.5 is what we got now, because we removed the helper as I showed you, but it looks a million times better. Before you had to jump into it, now you could step right in there, easy peasy. Got to put the moon caps on after it's all done, put some trim back on, and oh yeah, right here's another little part we got to paint. But yeah, we'll get it all done. That's going to have to be wet sanded a little bit. I'm going to get back to polishing. Smells like them brakes are sticking. It's on here, you can't even tell a difference. Huh? Well, they can hear what we're saying right now. So what we did was we got some paint from, what was that place? Car Colors?
Yeah.
And they couldn't match it exactly. So what we did is, well, not we, he did. He took spray cans and we actually mixed it almost perfectly. We painted this right here, that, and we're getting ready to paint back here. We actually he just bought this new DeVilbiss, what was it, FLG4 finish line.
Yeah.
Worked good. And right now he's going to hit this back part right here. And it's amazing how close we got it to match from. And we're spraying super thin right now. This is single stage. I mean, there's a slight hint of difference, that's it. And it could just be shadowing right now, and that's wet. When it dries, it'll get lighter. We did a spot over here too. A little touch-up spot right here. Yeah, it did. You should have hit, I almost wanted you to hit this black spot, but it's, you know, it's there. It would be in the middle of everything. It's hard to even see that one at all. How far up did you go with the paint?
Just right in here.
Yeah, you can't even tell. Look at that on the camera. You can't even see it. Not at all.
Black spot.
I wouldn't. It's already polished and everything. It's killing it though for something you took spray paint and mixed to match.
Well, I mean, you should explain how I did the spray paint. Just set.
Oh yeah.
Sprayed it into the.
Here's the colors up here. We took a bunch of different. What we used? We used white, the hunter green. Was a stone. Was the other one that light tan color?
And the blue.
And a like a powder baby blue. And ended up mixing all that to get it to lighten up and turn a little green blue, because this is like an aqua-ish turquoise or some weird color. On the camera it looks real blue. In person it's green blue. In fact, you can see the primer or sealer, whatever they used under it before, was green. But it's awesome. Tacky yet?
Yeah.
It's because that's so low. I mean, the amount you spray out of it. Now, I'd say you hit that one more time, just get the blotchiness out of it, and it'll be good to go. If you saw where we painted the blue truck in there, we were using, what was that? That was a Harbor Freight gun. And then my TCP Global guns, which those are junk guns. Those are crap. This gun right here, even for, what'd you pay for that? $189? Yeah. $189, 3 different tips. It sprays from 1.8, 1.5, and 1.3. I mean, it changed the game, didn't it?
Yeah.